If you store canned chicken, it is time to learn how to use it. So here are 10 ways that we can use canned chicken for prepping and everyday use. Hey everyone, Morgan here. So the very first one is chicken patties. Chicken patties are so easy to make. You just need oil for the frying in the pan. You need the canned chicken. You need some egg. You could also use freeze-dried eggs, raw freeze-dried eggs. And you can also use breadcrumbs. That's it. Those 3 ingredients plus whatever spices that you want to add to it. But that's it. So super easy and delicious. Okay, chicken salad. Chicken salad, so easy. You can make chicken salad or chicken pasta salad. You could put grapes in it if you have it. You can do so many things with chicken salad, and it's so easy to make. Chicken salad is just like tuna salad. It's the canned chicken, the mayonnaise, and if you want to add mustard, a lot of people, I add mustard, and whatever other seasonings you want. Boom! Chicken and rice. Super easy, right? We like to make a chicken, broccoli, and rice casserole. And it's really good with canned chicken. The chicken chunks are fine. I like the canned chicken most from Kirkland, from Costco, the Kirkland canned chicken. That is my favorite canned chicken. But of course, any canned chicken will work for any of these recipes. A chicken and bean soup, yum, packed with protein, so easy to make. You can make it in the Instant Pot or on the stovetop. You got a delicious meal. Make some homemade rolls with those. Oh. Next one is chicken and pasta. Again, this recipe could be changed and adapted to be so many different things. There's chicken pasta with white sauce. There's chicken pasta with red sauce. There's chicken pasta where you add peas and corn in it. There's chicken pasta that, oh gosh, I don't know. There's just so much. Okay, chicken and some sort of pasta, and you can easily make the pasta at home yourself. I've done that before. There's links everywhere for all this stuff, but yeah, super good. So chicken pizza. I love chicken pizza, and I've made chicken pizza, apocalypse chicken pizza before, but I made that with freeze-dried pizza, but it could be easily made with canned chicken as well. Make your pizza dough, make your sauce, put your sauce on it, or, get the canned sauce, obviously. Obviously, we're not going to be making sauce from scratch. And then just put the cheese and chicken on top. So good. You could even do a white sauce and then the chicken. Oh my gosh, so good. Okay, chicken pot pie. Chicken pot pie is so easy. I think the crust is the only thing that I'm like, I hate making crust. I hate making pies. I hate making crust. It's like stupid easy, but for some reason I just hate it. I don't know why. But you could make your own crust, which is easy, and then make your own ingredients and everything. You could even use canned vegetables with it as well. Basically the whole chicken pot pie could be used with canned foods and your baking, non-perishable items. So pretty easy. Chicken quesadillas. We actually make, like I said, I think I almost prefer the canned chicken with the chicken quesadillas because they're already really moist and they go really well with the chicken quesadillas. It's just the cheese and the chicken, and then the tortillas. Tortillas are really easy to make yourself if you need to make them. So good and delicious. You can use freeze-dried cheese. I've talked about cheese a few times here, but you can use freeze-dried cheese. That's what I tend to use if I have a non-perishable cheese option. And we freeze-dry our own cheese. You can buy the freeze-dried cheese, whatever. Okay, so chicken, tacos, wraps, or burritos. So what I really like to do is I like to do a canned chicken. I'll put it on a tortilla, and then I will put beans and corn and a little bit of ranch. And if I have it, avocado. And if I have it, tomatoes and lettuce. Oh my gosh, this is like the bomb burrito, okay? You will love it. But whatever seasonings you want in it, there's also a sriracha, not sriracha. It was a spicy mayo. I'm getting really into the spicy mayo. I don't like a lot of spicy stuff, but some spicy mayo, that spicy mayo is good stuff. The sriracha mixed with mayo, yeah, that's good stuff. Okay, so the last one is chicken enchiladas. These last few have used tortillas because tortillas are so versatile and they're really easy to make. I've made them before here on the channel, And I'm going to put a link down below to where you can go make your own tortillas. I really want you to go try to make your own tortillas. They're way easier than people think they are, okay? But chicken enchiladas, these are one of my go-tos. Again, canned chicken is one of the greatest things to use for this because it's really easy and they're moist and it keeps that moistness. So you put the cheese and chicken inside, then you roll them up and you put them in, then you can put more cheese on top, and there you go. You got your chicken enchiladas. Put them in the oven for a while. I don't know, what is it? 10, 15, 20 minutes, something like that. So good. Packed with protein. Delicious. So those are 10 things that you can do with canned chicken. Mix and match and get creative, but there you go. Have some fun with it. Keep stocking that canned chicken and let me know what else you think is a good idea to make with canned chicken down below in the comments. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Conquer tomorrow. We're today.